Hi, my name's Carla Snyder, and today I'm going to show you how easy it is to get a delicious meal on the table utilizing Heinen's meal in a flash chart. Today we're going to start off with short rib ravioli, which is amazingly delicious. All we're going to do is just give it a little drizzle with some extra virgin olive oil, and then I'm going to pop it in the microwave and heat it up in 30-second increments just until it's nice and hot. Once it's nice and warm, all you've got to do is serve it alongside a delicious salad that you can make in Heinen's salad bar. I like to top this ravioli with just a little bit of chopped parsley to give it a little bit of color. And then if you really feel like kicking this meal up a notch, you can partner it up with a little bit of Heinen's jarred pasta sauces. Just pick your favorite flavor. There's all kinds. And remember, with a little help from Heinen's, home is where delicious happens.